Facing a garage door off its hinges? This troubling issue can occur if the door is forcibly opened or if its parts are worn out or broken, posing a risk not just to your schedule, but to your safety as well. Don't let a hanging door hang up your day. If you're in the Horsley area, help is just a call away. Dial 0409-774-111 now to get professional garage door repair services. Our team of qualified experts will ensure your door is securely back on track and functioning smoothly. Act now to prevent further damage and ensure your peace of mind.